it's Ms. Meadors. Happy Friday before spring break. We are wrapping up our very first week of Sherlock Holmes, and you guys have a quiz today. So, on my website, this is lakesidemeadors.weebly.com, you guys were supposed to have read The Adventure of the Speckled Band and A Scandal in Bohemia for the quiz today. You were also supposed to have listened to this podcast called Mrs. Sherlock Holmes. Those are the 3 things that will be on the quiz today. Here are several links of me reading the 2 short stories to you. And then I also wanted to show you guys under resources, under our online library, I've also linked the audio to each of the stories. There's a video that's like an old cheesy version of Sherlock Holmes, and there's also the PDFs. So there's lots of different ways you guys can get the information you need for what's on the quiz today. And like I said, I also took the time, a lot of time, to read these aloud. And my dog and Craig make special appearances in these. So if you're more of an audio person, you can listen to them. If you're a visual person, you can watch the videos. But you definitely should read the PDFs of the Sherlock stories. And you were supposed to have listened to this podcast. I had 2 different instructional videos here and here to make sure that you guys were on track. I met with several of you over Zoom. I'm going to start doing Zooms more often and in smaller groups so that you guys can ask questions and we can have maybe class be more like class itself and talk through some stuff. Make sure that you guys have posted on the discussion boards, and that's on It's Learning. So if I go to one of my classes here, and I like going to plans, that's where I set up everything. Here's what we've been working on. Try to organize everything. You guys are going to go to the Sherlock option discussion, and you can click right there. And this is where you had the option of a 3rd text. It could either be 2 TV shows, 1 movie, or 2 short stories. You just picked one of these 5 things to comment on, and several of you have already done it. A lot of you have not. So make sure you guys do that today. And when you're ready, you guys can come to the homepage of my website and click this link, and it will take you to the quiz. I couldn't restrict the time, and I couldn't restrict your quizzes unless you all had Chromebooks. So I just decided not to do that. So I guess it's open note, but make sure that I can see how long it takes you. So if it takes you more than 20 minutes, I'll kind of know something was up. I'd much rather you guys email me, tell me that you're not ready to take the quiz, whatever it may be, rather than just cheat. So just prepare before. It's all online anyway. You guys can do it. So let me know if you have any questions. I am a little worried that I'm not reaching everybody, so I'm going to reach out to you guys. I'm reaching out to you in every way I know how, so make sure that you guys let me know how I can help you. And feel free to ask me questions, and make sure that you guys are staying up to date on stuff. And yeah, I love you with my whole heart. I'll talk to you soon.